I've tried Mailcow, iRedMail, and Mailu, and here's how they feel in everyday use. Mailcow has the most modern feel. It runs using containers, has a nice control panel, and includes everything you need. It's smooth, full-featured, and once it's running, you don't really have to think much about it. It does use a bit more system memory, so it's best if your server has enough resources, but the experience feels very polished. iRedMail is more old school in a good way. Instead of containers, it installs directly on your system. If you enjoy traditional setups and like to see and control everything, this fits well. It's reliable and well documented, but it may take a little more tuning over time. It's a solid choice if you prefer a classic setup approach. Mailu is lighter and simpler. It also uses containers, but it's designed to stay minimal and easy on resources. It doesn't have as many built-in extras as Mailcow, but it's great if you want something straightforward that works without being heavy. If I had to suggest one for most people, I'd say Mailcow. It just feels complete and comfortable to run. If you want something simple and light, Mailu is really nice. And if you like a traditional install without containers, iRedMail will make sense.